Hi, this is Naked Geek and I'm Dan, and today I'm using my robot helper cameraman. Rather than me having to move the tripod around a bunch of times, I've set this up, in theory, to make my life easier, but we'll see how that goes. The tricky part of using it in this particular mode is I have to time myself quite carefully between the camera moves and not talk whilst the motors are moving because they're quite loud. I'll have to figure something out about that. For now, you can see how I could set up these different shots. Nice wide one of my very messy workbench. This is after tidying for a while. I need to do more cleaning. Then, if I wanted to bring your attention in, the controller that I used to set all this up is linked to a Raspberry Pi and a basic Python program. I can use the joysticks to move the camera around and then store positions, set waypoints, and run the program. Quite happy with it. I just need to script myself better, I suspect, because this is about my 10th attempt. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you next time.